Alright guys, trying to link your debit card or your credit card with their Cash App and it just doesn't work or your card just gets declined by Cash App. Well, you guys are at the right video, because by the end of this video, you guys will know how you guys can fix Cash App's card decline problem. But before I show you the solution to this problem, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first reason could be if the card you're trying to link with your Cash App is expired. So make sure if a card is not expired. And the other thing is make sure that your bank allows Cash App, which means some banks, they just don't allow to link your bank account or your card with Cash App. If that's the problem, the only way to fix it is you got to call your bank and personally request them to allow that link to happen. Because until and unless a bank allows that, it's not going to happen. And the other thing is you need to enter the correct information of your card when you're trying to link it with our Cash App. If the card information entered is incorrect and it's going to decline it, so you got to check that as well. And the other thing is you need to have sufficient balance on your card. So let's say your car has $0, it's not going to be linked Winter Cashier, you need to have sufficient amount of money in your Cash Shack to be linked. And the other is make sure your internet connection is fast enough to link your debit card or your credit card. Otherwise, due to your slow internet connection is going to say card decline. So these are the factors that's causing you this problem. And sometimes if none of the thing work, which I said until now, just delete your cash, reinstall it again. Sometimes it's just like a small bug and deleting and reinstalling the Cash App simply fixes it. Alright, so that's how we guys can fix Cash App card decline. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World. Bye bye.